Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Monday, July 22. A task force established to address the likely impact on the tourism sector from the ban on smoking in public places began discussions on Monday. The task force was established on Friday following a meeting involving the health and tourism ministers and executive members of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, the JHTA. Tourism players raised concerns that the ban could negatively impact the sector. The task force is comprised of officials from both ministries and members of the JHTA. The House of Representatives has passed a bill to provide a modern legislative framework for the administration of trademarks in Jamaica. Debate on the Trademarks Amendment Act began on Tuesday, July 9, and was piloted by the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Anthony Hilton. The bill was passed without amendments on July 16 and will now be sent to the Senate for its approval.
This is a deliberate and strategic set of action and measures being taken by the government to, as I said, create the conditions for enterprise development, for the financing of enterprising in this country, and particularly the micro, small and medium-sized enterprises in this country.
Among other things, it provides for the revocation of a trademark as a result of non-use or disuse for a period of 5 years without good reason. The legislation also establishes the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO, as the organization responsible for carrying out the duties of the registrar under the Act. Repair work to a section of the Junction main road in St. Mary, which was damaged during Tropical Storm Sandy last year, is now 95% complete. State Minister for Transport Works and Housing, Richard Azan, toured the site recently and said the work, which began in March this year, is being done at a cost of approximately $30 million. He urged the citizens to help maintain the integrity of the road and supporting infrastructure.
If you see a bottle or a box in the drain, take it out. Because if we don't have proper drain, all the funding that we spend here will be in vain.
Meanwhile, the construction of a larger box culvert at Robbins Bay to channel a greater volume of water has been completed.
It is a much bigger culvert that we put in there, a 3-span. It was only a 2-span, a smaller one. But the volume of water will be easier to flow through.
The minister with responsibility for sport is urging the private sector to take up government's call for more public-private partnerships to move the country forward.
I impress on you today, on behalf of sport development and the development of our country, please come on board. When they hold high the Jamaican flag in the distant lands, remember, they also hold high your company's brand.
Minister Natalie Headley was addressing a recent media briefing by the Jamaica Paralympic Association. It also served as a signing ceremony for Paralympian Alfonso Cunningham, who is Digicel's newest brand ambassador. Cunningham and his compatriots are now in Lyon, France, where they are competing in the International Paralympic Committee's World Championships, which runs until July 27. And while attending another function recently, Minister Headley made a call for a return to the values and traditions of old. She was addressing the recent graduation ceremony of the Sergeantville Primary School in St. Catherine. The minister bemoaned what she described as the breakdown of morality and called on parents and guardians to recapture Jamaica from the grips of immorality.
It's not about style. It's about preserving values. It's about understanding our purpose here. It's about being our brother's keepers. It's about saving these who have not yet gone out into the world fully. We have a responsibility as a community and as parents to these young ones and to the next generation. If not, we are sinking all together.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.